Hi everyone, I am Wafa Lango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. Today we will be discussing the ditransitive verb profit from active voice into passive voice. Before starting the lecture, if you are new and not subscribed the channel, so please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we will be discussing ditransitive verb profit from active voice into passive voice. We will have just the definition of ditransitive verb first. You can pronounce it D and die both. Die means to, and transitive which can be changed into passive voice, and verb which shows an action. So those verbs which need two objects and can be changed in passive voice into four ways are called ditransitive verbs or detransitive verbs. Ditransitive verbs need two objects, the one direct object and one indirect object. Direct object means all non-livings and indirect object means all livings. Why does it need two objects, the one direct and one indirect object? They need one direct object and one indirect object to complete their meanings. Suppose if I say you profit me. You profit me what? Profit is a noun but it can be used as a verb. And you profit me, a question arises, what do you profit me? In the same way, if I say you profit money, now whom do you profit the money? Clear? So for that, the two objects, the indirect object and the direct object is to be brought together. Suppose if I say you profit me money, this is what now it is giving complete meaning, that you profit me, and what do you profit me? Money. You profit money, and whom do you profit? That you profit to me. And we mostly bring the indirect object at the beginning and direct at the end, but if you want to shuffle the places, you want to bring it at the end and direct object at the beginning. So keep in your mind, your indirect object me will be followed by a preposition, like you profit money to me. So this is the way to change it from active voice into passive voice. Now we will discuss how we are going. These are the two ways to change them into active voice, and there are four ways to change them from active voice into passive voice that we will be discussing now. We will discuss the ditransitive verb profit from active voice into passive voice in the future indefinite tense. The future indefinite tense is used for future planned and activities, and this tense is used for future planned and activities. Now we will be having the simple sentences of the future indefinite tense. Simple sentences, those sentences which make simple statement. You will profit our business, and you will profit business to her. Clear? So this is what you will profit our what? Business, and you will profit business to her. These are the two ways to change them in active voice, but in passive voice there are four ways to change them. Keep in your mind, when you change them into passive voice, your this subject you is known as the doer of an action. When it takes the place of object here, like it becomes by you, so keep in your mind, by you is over here. Keep in your mind your agent, not your object. When subject takes the place of object, it becomes an agent. And what is the definition of agent? It tells us who does an action, and over here your subject agent is the doer of an action. After that, when you bring object, whether indirect object or the direct object, both of them at the beginning, like you bring it in first and second sentence, she, her changes into she as a subjective case, and business in third and fourth sentence. There these will be called the title or topic subject. And title and topic subject is what which we are talking about. A person, place or a thing in a sentence which we are talking about is called the title subject. So this should be in your mind, that will be called the title subject, not the doer of an action. So first you brought indirect objects, so keep in your mind, by you comes at the beginning, business at the end, business at the beginning, by you at the end. And if you bring the direct object at the beginning, so by you comes at the beginning, to her at the end, to her at the beginning, by you at the end. Now sentences will be like this: you will be profited by you okay, she will be profited by you business. She will be profited business by you. Business will be profited by you to her. Business will be profited to her by you. Next we have got the negative sentences. Those sentences in which we deny the statement, reject the statement and refuse the statement are called the negative sentences. Now in negative sentences, when you reject someone's statement, that is called the negative sentence. You will not profit her business. You will not profit business to her. And there are four ways to change them into passive voice. She will not be profited by you business. She will not be profited business by you. Business will not be profited by you to her, and business will not be profited to her by you. Interrogative sentences we have now, those sentences in which we ask question and put queries. Will you profit her business? Will you profit business to her? Will she be profited by you business? Will she be profited business by you? Will business be profited by her, by you to her, and will business be profited to her by you? Next we have got the formal sentences of ditransitive verbs. What are formal sentences? Those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement, and we ask them in a formal way, polite way and respective way. We use it with our elders, seniors and to whom you are not close with. Will you not profit her business? Will you not profit business to her? Will she not be profited by you business? Will she not be profited business by you? Will business not be profited by you to her, and will business not be profited to her by you? Last we have got the informal sentences. Those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement, and we ask them in a informal way. We use it with our friends, to youngers, juniors and to whom you are close with. Won't you profit her business? Won't you profit business to her? Won't she be profited by you business? Won't she be profited business by you? Won't business be profited by you to her, and won't business be profited to her by you? So these are the sentences of ditransitive verb profit in future indefinite tense. Hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.